quality long rallies given to us by both teams. Again, for Mapua, now this is a must-win situation for them.
Yes.
In
Crucial to for them.
In terms of points in our team standings, ito yung kailangan din nilang makuha in 4 sets for them to get 3 points.
Ito nga yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina. Yung isipin mo pa kung ilang sets kayo dapat manalo.
Kanina hindi pa pumapasok sa isip nila kasi 2-0.
Totoo, oo.
Ito, nakaisa na yung San Beda. Tingnan natin kung makaka-apekto yan
Yes.
sa laro ng Mapua. 20 points today for Angel Habacon, averaging 22.9 points per match in the season. Service error ito. Ito na ang Lady Cardinals.
Serving for Lady Cardinals is Ryan Garcia.
Full front line for the Lady Cardinals. We have Mika Blanca, Ong, and De La Cruz.
Kagalawan. Kohol. De La Cruz. Flat down. Kagalawan. Back to Roxy here. Off speed. It's been Sophie and Roxy alternating on the hits. Pero si Kagalawan ang makakapuntos.
Another placement shot for Kagalawan. Again, walang nakaabang for that zone 1 hit.
Kanina pa problema yan. Itong Lady Cardinals. It's si Kagalawan tsaka si Habacon parehas nakaka-discard sa down the line. Arizapa unable to handle it.
May konting hesitation for Arizapa there.
To a piece. If you guys just tuned in, Mapua is at 5-3 right now. San Beda 3-5. Obviously, San Beda already eliminated from the Final Four. Mapua still has a chance. Launch pad. De La Cruz off the block.
Good attack there by Roxy, De La Cruz. Hindi rin kasi sabay na-establish yung blockers ng San Beda dito. May naunang isa eh. So kapag hindi kayo talaga sabay, malaki yung chance na pumagitna lang yung bola.
Sophie. Mabilis na bawi para sa Lady Red Spikers. Silang dalawa. Pinagpapalitan dito. De La Cruz and Kagalawan. Klein Abraham. Basbas with a good pass. Rica Blanca with a swing.
Raisa, Rica Blanca.
Full swing for Raisa, Rica Blanca. Yung cross-court attack niya talaga nahihirapan ng San Beda na kunin. Kasi pag lefty talaga, malikot yung bola.
Talaga yung kaliwete. Masyado lang malakas yung serve niya. So for all. Just like what happened in sets 1 to 3. Wala talaga nakakalamang ng husto. So Sophie Kagalawan, who continues to play well for Coach Edgar. Nice serve. Rica Blanca from behind. They go to Angel here. That was too near the net.
Yes, sobrang tight yung set na yon. Hindi yan nagawa ng paraan ni Angel. Even though sinubukan naman niya na ipa-check sa kamay ng blockers ng Mapua, medyo nahihirapan lang din talaga siya.
Roxy De La Cruz. You see the numbers, 9 points. Not quite near her 20-point output as Habacon.
Wow! Kita mo yung swing niya? Ang lakas ng palo niya doon.
May follow-through pa. Naiwan yung kamay ni Angel.
Totoo.
21 puntos na para kay Habacon. So Navarro serves. 5-all to start. Rica Blanca swings and scores again.
Another point for Raisa Rica Blanca at the back row. Hindi biglang sa harap siya umaatake hanggang sa pag-ikot niya sa likod, maaasahan mo pa rin talaga siya.
Kaya abante na dito. Ang Mapua. On. Again, destroying that wall.
Angel taking advantage of the first front line. Yung blocker niya rin kasi dito ay si Gohol. Kanina niya pa rin na papadaanan ng bola.
Ito na yung gustong senaryo ng San Beda, no? Yung nasa harapan si Trixie.
Kapag nagkatapat sila dito sa harap.
Free and wow! So much power. Kita mo, approach pa lang eh.
I know, hindi na-handle ni Flores yung palo. Hindi free yan dito.
So, seesaw battle so far to begin set 3. Off speed. Easy up. Garcia again. Back-to-back points for Brian Garcia. And it is an 8-6 lead for the Lady Cardinals as we go to this quick break. Pagbalik natin, we'll hear an update from Fatima Reyes.
Mga kapuso, let's take a quick look back at the early goings of our brand new NCAA volleyball tournament here in the first edition of our Week in Review. On opening day last Sunday, the Benilde Lady Blazers began their quest for a three-peat on a high note as they dominated EAC 25-15, 25-14, 25-23. Graduating middle blocker Mitch Gamit led the way for the Taft Avenue-based squad with 10 markers. In the match that followed, Perpetual flexed their muscles against JRU with
And we're back here in NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Ito nga muna tayo sa panig ng San Beda Lady Red Spikers. Alam niyo, meron nga silang super rookie sa pangalan ni Angel Habacon. At alam niyo ba, sa bench nila si Angel ang nagsisilbing energy booster. At ang sigaw nga nito kanina, gusto pa raw niya ng isang set. At mukhang nagiging epektibo naman ito para magising ang kanyang koponan. Dito naman sa panig ng Lady Cardinals, isa ang pinakakailangan solusyonan ng kanyang koponan ayon kay Coach Aying Esteban at ito ay communication. Nagsisimula raw ang tensyon dahil hindi na sila nag-uusap sa loob. Now, let's see if Angels one more set will be granted or the Lady Cardinals will continue to fight for their spot in the Final Four. Martin and Mika?
Thank you so much, Miss Fatima Reyes, doing a great job in reporting for both schools today. Sabi ni Angel, gusto pa niya ng isa pang set para mas mapatunayan pa nila yung kanilang mga sarili dito. But Mapua is slowly figuring things out. Mika.
I know, sabi nga rin ni Fatima na si Angel yung nagbibigay ng energy sa kanila sa loob. And kitang-kita naman natin yon yung celebration niya every after getting a point. Tuwang-tuwa talaga sila lahat. And I think doon niya rin talaga mahihila yung mga teammates niya.
That's right. She has been scoring here in set 4. 22 points already. Here's Angel again. Pero na-check na siya doon. One more time. Good adjustment from Habacon.
Again, yung zone 1 talaga yung nagiging problem ng Mapua Lady Cardinals dito. Wala pa ring adjustment.
At alam mo talagang rookie man, first year player man sa NCAA. Pero
Yes.
veterano yung IQ nito ni Angel. Ang bilis ng adjustment on her second jump sa rally na yun. Garcia looking for the swipe out. Rica Blanca. Nakadepensa sa Monina. Here's Abraham. Track down by Gohol. Mahirap na pasa yun. San Beda. Aatake. Rally continues. Ong! Hopped up by Flores. Binigay daw yata kay Mika. Ready na bumalik si Mika.
Ako na magsiset
Ayun
yan.
na. Oh. Si Mika, magsiset para sa inyo. Ito. Ganun na eh. Huwag niyo daw tatamaan yung bangs ni Mika Reyes today.
Magugulo.
Magugulo. 11-7. Pagalawan. Oh, not over.
Kailangan talaga ma-activate ulit ng San Beda ang kanilang middle blockers, especially this set.
Timeout, San Beda
Check na yung wing
University.
spikers. Pakinggan natin si Coach Edgar.
Set mo ron. Pag siniksik mo, ang bilis-bilis pa, hindi na mapapalo yan. Kaya magpagkakataong makabuelo yung kasama mo. Huwag kayo magmadali. Pati yung receive natin, pag nagre-receive tayo, nagmamadali na tayo, natataranta na tayo. Sige, sige.
Specific reminders for
Yeah.
the players. Kailangan talaga na magkaroon sila ng communication dito kasi medyo bumibilis yung set ni Molina dito kaya nahihirapan ang kanyang wing spikers na maka-execute.
And again, etong Lady Cardinals playing with more sense of urgency. Ang ganda naman ng serve ni Garcia doon. Pero yung bawe ni Arizapa
Laling Arizapa.
nando doon. So middle activation mula sa timeout ni Coach Edgar.
Kailangan talaga nila yan para kahit papano mahuli si Ong na humabol sa outside spikers. Makuha man lang ng middle blockers sila.
Kasi kanina, hirap na sila Sophie tsaka si Angel.
Yes.
Eh, talagang
Dalawa
sinasara-
kasi yung nakaharap eh. Dalawa lagi yung nakabantay. Kung at least huli man, malate man lang, madelay ng konti, malaking tulong na yun for their outside spikers.
That's right. And they need that opening here. 5 na ulit ang abante ng Mapua. It's Aliana Ong. We're used to calling her Nicole. Aliana naman tawag natin sa kanya. Tagalawan. Pistol checked.
There's a block point for the Lady Cardinals.
Walang coverage for San Beda. Hindi sila ready sa kill block ng Lady Cardinals dito.
This is the number 1 blocking team in the league. Number 1 ang Mapua. Number 3 ang San Beda.
Kaya dapat ready yung coverage
Ready.
nila.
Oo. Oh! And this is an encouraging sign para sa San Beda. Klein Abraham is able to score.
Ngayon na lang ulit natin siya na ramdaman.
Yeah. Struggle siya sa mga atake niya sa laban natin. This is tracked down by Gohol. Underhand setup for Roxy De La Cruz.
Roxy
Good
De La
angle
Cruz.
by Roxy De La Cruz. Iwasan niya talaga yung blockers dito.
I like how Gohol tracked it down tapos naisip pa niya ng maganda yon para kay De La Cruz. Kagalawan! Yes!
Sophie Kagalawan.
Another problem for Mapua ngayon na nasa harap na ulit si Gohol, yung setter nila. Nagiging disadvantage din kasi yon sa blocking.
Yeah, and you saw it there. Pinadaan yung bola kay Trixie Gohol. That's outside though for Kagalawan. So second technical timeout. Abante ng 6 na puntos ang Mapua.
The era of new heroes continues in season 99, and this time, it's her story that will unfold as the volleyball tournament has officially taken off.
Easier said than done though.
Last April 7, the much-awaited opening ceremony took place with an exciting lineup of matches.
Luke. That's a cross-court hit.
But perhaps the most anticipated storyline in this chapter of the NCAA features the reigning queens of the league, the Benilde Lady Blazers. The defending back-to-back champions began their quest for a three-peat with an intact core led by setter Chloan Mondoñedo, along with high flyers Gail Pascual
Making her presence felt here.
and Jade Hentapa. Season 97 MVP Micah Go finally made her return to the court as well. However, among Coach Jerry Yee's collection of stars, it was Mitch Gamit who shined the brightest.
Bigla-bigla silang umaatras. But what a hit from Gamit.
Over the top.
Alam niya na. Aral na aral.
Gamit was a force to be reckoned with as she tops
resuming our coverage of the NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Laban ng Mapua kontra San Beda. You see students here from Intramuros, diba? From Mapua University in attendance, watching intently. Teka lang. What happened?
Number 8.
Okay.
Let's go. Hindi, ito na lang. Nangyari naman yung buzzer, patay na bola, kaya nga point pa rin nila. Patay na. Kaya nga pagpito ko, biglang nag-buzzer eh. Sabay lang. Thank you, Kap.
Okay, so it's a San Beda point.
Na namatay naman na daw kasi yung bola.
Bago
And then
nagpasa.
after doon nagkaroon ng buzzer.
Pero so far, hindi pa tinatali yung puntos. Kahit dito sa
Teka.
scoreboard natin.
As
sa
per
Feroy.
commissioner, the ball is replay. Ulit. Thank you.
Okay. So,
Walang point.
walang point na ibibigay dito. Replay lang tayo.
Good ball.
Okay. So, Mapua ang magsaserve.
Yan eh. Kasalanan nyo. Kakatalo namin. Ano ba yan? Sana hindi mo natin nagun eh.
Coach Ed is still contesting this. Kasi nga naman, puntos na sa kanila yun.
Yes. Medyo nagkaroon lang ng problema doon.
But that was overruled by our commissioner, Milton Calo. Bacon covered the Angel. Drop ball this time, and it works.
Angel Abacon. Nandyan pa rin talaga siya kapag sa kanya mo binigay yung bola, maaasahan mo pa rin talaga.
But it's been tough today, especially with the coverage of Mapua at the net. Erin Navarro. Gohol. To Rica Blanca. Wow! Lumusot para kay Rica Blanca.
Back row attack for Raisa Rica Blanca. Now with 22 points.
What a production today for Raisa Rica Blanca. Talagang tinatapatan yung production ni Angel. These are super rookies battling in this match. Frian. Arizapa returned to sender by Aliana Ong.
Good intention there by Arizapa pero good reaction naman for Ong.
Again, napakaganda ng timing nito ni Ong. Good coverage.
Okay lang yan. Sige, laruin nyo lang. Wala nang mangyayari doon. Wala tayong magagawa doon. Basta laro nyo lang, ha? Angel, diretso lang. Naintindihan. Sige lang. Wala tayong magagawa doon. Sige, laro nyo na. Sige, go.
It is now a 7-point lead for the Mapua Lady Cardinals. Itong San Beda, sabi ni Coach Ed, sige laruin nyo lang. Wala tayong magagawa.
Totoo.
Nandyan na yan.
Uncontrollable.
Yeah. Correct. So we'll see if we'll witness a fight back from the Lady Red Spikers. Again, this is their final match of season 99. Abacon. Garcia catches the corner.
Long target for Garcia. Ngayon, lahat na sila. Well, actually, apat na players from the Mapua Lady Cardinals are in double-digit scores now.
Nice distribution. And it's Ong again. Such a force at the net.
Ngayon na, binibigyan na ng San Beda ang kanilang middle blockers dito. Bantay na bantay naman ni Ong sa net.
Aliana Ong with 16 points in the match. Bohol went for the 1-2. Nag-1-2 rin si Molina. Back set. Oh! Ong with back-to-back heel blocks.
Good timing by Aliana Ong. Saradong-sarado. Payong na payong ang palo ni Angel Habacon.
And that is her 6th block. 6th kill block in the match. Grabe po si Aliana Ong. I think it's safe to say she's going to end the season still number 1 in that department. Frian Garcia.
Rian Garcia challenging the hands of the blockers.
If she gets the right timing and the right height on that ball, lakas kasi ng braso nito ni Frian.
Totoo.
Diba? Bohol. Back to Frian this time. Variating her shot. Habacon. Too much juice. Mapua in full control dito sa set number 4. And look at this. Aliana Ong with more blocks than the entire San Beda team.
I know. Grabe. Grabe yung performance niya.
And again, talagang katumbas niya 2 tao sa loob. Sa galing niya tumiming. Arizapa. Good reflexes by Ong. Flores. Over to Molina, who sends it out. Match point, Mapua Lady Cardinals. To keep their final 4 hopes alive in season 99. Espina. Habacon. Let's track down. Molina will swing. And she'll get the check.
San Beda is still alive.
Okay. Coach Ed is probably thinking now, 2 games na. Si Molina. Next year kaya i-convert ko ulit to sa Spikers. Diba? Mas
Actually,
effective eh.
medyo mahirap kapag iba-iba yung pinapractice mo na position. Ang hirap mag-focus. Pero kung kaya mo naman, di ba? Let's see.
But his intention is, for him to have a taller blocker. Sa
Gets,
front line
yes.
si Molina. Habacon. Garcia. Too strong.
They were asking for a check.
So that's 2 straight for San Beda here. Also 2 match points saved by San Beda. Okay. Pero malayo-layo na to. This is a massive hill to climb for San Beda here. Free and good dive by Sophie. Buhay pa to. Bohol, quick! And that's all she wrote. Aliana Ong ends the match and gives Mapua their 6th win in season 99. Aliana Ong has been doing everything for Mapua. And she was the one who put an end. Our best player of the game, Raisa Ricablanca, with 22 points today. At may depensa pa. 3 blocks and 7 excellent digs. Ganda nung pick mo dito, Mika. Raisa Ricablanca, well-deserved. Actually, maraming deserving para sa Lady Cardinals today.